In other news, the Supreme Court today ordered the reinstatement of Corporal Arlene McBean as chairman of the Police Federation with immediate effect. This after an injunction was filed against her removal from the post in January. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has the story.
A victory hug as Corporal Arlene McBean greets police personnel at the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Headquarters on Friday. This was after the Supreme Court ruled that she be reinstated as chairman of the Police Federation, a post she has held since May 2018.
I must first say that to God be the glory. All honor, all glory belongs to Him. Persons will see this as a victory for Arlene McBean, but it's a victory for the rank and file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. In everything, we have to form a platform so that they will observe processes in a correct manner.
Did you at any point doubt that you would have been reinstated?
Well, I had a very open mind, because at the end of the day, whether it was in my favor or not, we always have to observe that the institution called the Jamaica Police Federation must be protected, and the rank and file members must be the priority. So whichever result that would have been delivered today, I would definitely work with it.
Corporal McBean was removed from the post in January following a no-confidence vote. She was later replaced by then General Secretary Sheldon Gordon.
When I look at the case, there was absolutely no basis for removal. Clearly, my feeling is that being the first female officer to be elected to that post and being a corporal, she being a junior police officer compared to the other two, and this rank structure within the police force may be at work here, because she being junior corporal, they being inspector and sergeant respectively. They felt that probably a junior officer should not be their boss.
Her attorney, Hugh Wildman, argued that the removal was a breach of the Constabulary Force Act. Mr. Wildman said the members who moved the motion for her removal will be fined.
I specifically did not ask for costs against the Federation, because I thought the Federation was just used by these persons. So I don't think it would have been fair to ask the judge for costs against the Federation, but I've asked for costs against Rowe and Gordon, and the court granted us costs against them.
As for Mr. Gordon, he will return to his post as General Secretary. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.